Hello, and welcome to Step by Step English. Do you want to speak English, but don't know where to start? Do you forget words, or shy to speak? Or maybe you just want to learn English in an enjoyable and fun way. Don't worry, you are in the right place. On this channel, we will learn English step by step. With simple lessons, easy explanations, and fun exercises. We will practice together, learn new words and even make English sentences every day. Are you ready to improve your English and have fun while learning? Then, let's start this journey together, and I promise, step by step, you see yourself improving. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching.